Everyone loves carrot cake, but I'm going to show you how to make it with a twist. I'm Lindy Milan and welcome back to my kitchen. Okay, we're going to do it as a mug cake. So in here I have got some plain flour, I've got some brown sugar, I've got some cinnamon, some nutmeg. So these are the dry ingredients, so I'm just going to give them a mix first. Especially brown sugar can have lumps in it. Then I've got some coconut oil, but you could use melted butter. Here are my carrots, only 25 grams of carrots. So there we go. So let's give this a mix. Now, some milk. You can use any type of milk. Some vanilla extract. A little bit of baking powder here, because there's no egg, there's nothing in it otherwise to lift it. And it's up to you. I've got some chopped walnuts, but it's up to you if you want to put nuts in or not. So give it a really good mix. Now this is going to go in the microwave on high while I make a streusel topping. Okay, so 1 minute on high. It might be different on your microwave and it depends what mug you're using. There we go. Now you can see that that's not cooked yet, and that's because we're going to do the streusel topping. So I've got some plain flour, some brown sugar, a little bit of cinnamon, and then we've got some little bits of butter, and I'm going to rub these in. Now it's got a bit soft because it's been out, but I'm just going to rub this in to make a bit of a streusel topping. So just with your fingertips. There's the streusel topping, just on top like this, and then another minute on high in the microwave. Let's have a look. Oh, that's quite steamy. Oh, there you go with the streusel topping. All it needs, a little bit of ice cream or yogurt on top. But you do need to let it wait for a minute because you can see that's still bubbling. It's too hot to eat. But there it is, carrot cake in a mug.